Today we're learning about some of the most common array methods like push, pop, shift, unshift, splice, slice, concat, and a few others. Let's jump right in. Now, the first one I cover is push and pop. Push is going to add an element to the end or the back of an array, and pop is going to take that off. And so we can see that if we run node sandbox 1, we're going to get apple, banana, orange. And then if we run this again with pop, let's go ahead and save this, and then we're going to run it again. We're going to get apple, banana. Next, we have shift and unshift. And this is going to be essentially the opposite of what we just learned with push and pop. It's going to happen at the beginning of the array. So if we run this, we're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4. So unshift is going to move this to the front. And then shift is going to take off the front. So 2, 3, 4, as you see in the second. Next up, we have splice, and we're going to get right into it. It can add, remove, and replace elements anywhere in the array. So we have two examples, and we have colors.splice. We have essentially what's happening here is that we're grabbing, at index 1, we're going to remove 0 and insert yellow. So it's going to, if we run this, we're going to have red, yellow, blue, green. And then if we have here, we have color splice 2, 1. And that's going to be at index 2, we're going to remove 1. So that's going to get back red, yellow, green. So we're going to see that. Like so. This is essentially like, like cutting and pasting you can think of. Next up, we have slice. And with slice, it's going to essentially return a shallow copy of a portion of the array, and it doesn't change the original. And so we're going to see that in action here. We're going to get back, so for this first slice, we're getting back, 1 and 3. And we get back B and C, so that's index 1 and index up until but not including D or 3. So it's going to just be B and C, and then we're going to show the array of letters again, and you'll see that it still stays intact, A, B, C, D. So that is slice. Next up, we have concat. And concat is essentially going to merge arrays without changing the original. And so we're going to see that in action here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. As you can see. And we're only showing getting back combined. And if we were to, go ahead and show array 1 and 2 as well, just to confirm. Like so. And we get back 1, 2, 3, and 4. And lastly, a few bonus methods to keep in mind for arrays. You have indexOf, includes, and join. IndexOf is going to find the index of an item. So wrench is going to be index of 1. Includes is going to check if an item exists. Saw, in this case, doesn't exist in this list of arrays. And then lastly, join is going to turn an array into a string. In this case, we're taking each element and we want to, separate them by a comma and space. And if we run this, we're going to see those answers here. 1 of the location of the wrench, false of saw not included, and then hammer, wrench, screwdriver as the string that we get back. That's just a quick breakdown of some of the most used array methods in JavaScript. If you found this helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tips every week. And we'll see you in the next one.